Hello, welcome back to our channel Gururo, your ultimate destination for professional development. I am your host Sandeep, and today we are diving into an exciting topic, claiming the PMI Certification Digital Badge and how it can elevate your project management career. In this video, we will explain what is PMI Certification Digital Badge, how to claim your PMI Certification Digital Badge, advantages of PMI Certification Digital Badge. So stay with us until the end. This short and informative video is one you can't afford to miss. Project management is a critical aspect of organizational growth, and professionals who excel in this field have a multitude of opportunities ahead of them. The Project Management Institute is a renowned global organization that offers certification to project managers. The PMI Certification Digital Badge is the latest addition to PMI's certification portfolio, verifying the qualification and demonstrating the professional skills of its holders. So what exactly is PMI Certification Digital Badge? People who would have done any PMI certification a few years back would know that PMI used to offer and send the hard copy of the certificates earlier, but sometime back PMI changed it. Now, a digital representation of a project management certification is awarded by PMI. This badge serves as a tangible proof of your qualifications and professional skills in project management. It prominently displays your name, certification number, and the date of issuance, making it easy for others to verify the authenticity of your certification. The beauty of digital badge is that it can be shared across various platforms. You can proudly display on your personal website, LinkedIn profiles, and other social media platforms, increasing your visibility and credibility among peers and potential employers. Now let's understand the process of obtaining and utilizing this valuable asset. Claiming your PMI Certification Digital Badge is a straightforward process. After earning your PMI certification, you will receive an email from Credly, PMI's badging platform, within 2 weeks. This email will guide you through the following steps. Step 1. Click the accept button in the email from Credly, which will redirect you to their website. Step 2 is where you create a Credly account and claim your PMI Certification Digital Badge. If you encounter any issues or do not receive the email within 2 weeks, don't worry. You can reach out to PMI on this email, which is badges@pmi.org, or Credly account support. We tried reaching to PMI, and this is the response we received for accessing the digital badge. With these simple steps, you can easily claim and proudly display your PMI Certification Digital Badge, showcasing your skills and expertise in project management.
So you're looking for a quick, smooth, and guaranteed PMP renewal? Go to Gururo.com and navigate to PMP renewal page. First, go to the Enroll Now section. Pick a renewal pack that suits your needs. Add it to your cart and apply a discount coupon. Then, just check out by filling in the required details. It's as easy as that. And the best part? There's no waiting around. Your account creation and course assignment happen in parallel with the checkout. Go to My Account to access courses. Take a quick tour of our intuitive LMS to get familiarized with the platform. The hard part is done. Now let's dive into the easy part. Start going through your courses and earn those valuable PDUs. Access the enabled certificate on the course completion. Need any help along the way? Reach out to us through our built-in support system, available 24/7 via messages, chat, phone, or Zoom. Reporting your PDUs is quick and easy. Need guidance? Watch our comprehensive video self-help guide on reporting PDUs. It'll show you step-by-step instructions on navigating the CCR dashboard. Once you've submitted the details, you'll receive your approval email within minutes. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the accomplishment that comes with successfully renewing your PMP certification. Gururo simplifying PMP renewal for professionals like you.
Now let's talk about the advantages of having a PMI certification digital badge. The PMI certification digital badge provides quick and easy proof of your skills and qualifications in project management. It serves as a tangible representation of your expertise, allowing others to verify your capabilities effortlessly. Next, let's talk about credibility. Possessing a PMI certification digital badge demonstrates your commitment to the project management profession. It showcases your dedication to continuous improvement and increases your credibility among employers and peers. Moving on to visibility, the PMI certification digital badge can be prominently displayed on personal websites, LinkedIn profiles, and various social media platforms. By showcasing your badge, you enhance your visibility and exposure to potential employers and clients. Now let's discuss recognition. The PMI certification digital badge provides credit for your ongoing dedication to professional development. It acknowledges your commitment to mastering project management principles and practices, validating your expertise in this field. Finally, we have career advancement. The PMI certification digital badge can open doors to new opportunities. By possessing this badge, you stand out in the competitive project management field, positioning yourself for growth and advancement. That's all in today's video. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, keep learning and excelling in your project management journey.